3 different AI tools. Same words, same idea, yet totally different results. So today, I tested built-in image generation in ChatGPT, Meta AI, Gemini, and Google AI Studio with the exact same prompt of creating a cute little animated bee just to help you see the difference. By the end, let's find out which one gives the cleanest, cutest, and most accurate results, especially for beginners who want to start creating stories, animations, or short videos. Also, after finding out the tool that did the best job, I have planned to create a beginner-friendly tutorial so you can start making your own images too. So stay tuned! To keep everything fair, I use the exact same prompt across all tools, which I generated through ChatGPT. Simple, clear, and perfect for testing consistency. And now, let's jump into the results. This was created through Meta AI. The bee looks adorable, the colors are soft, it's bright and clean. Still, it did not match my imagination to 100%. But Meta AI has got options for me to get it delivered the way I want to, and the next one through Gemini and Google AI Studio. As you can see, it looks quite similar to what we get from Google AI Studio. Again, the style is nearly identical to Gemini, which makes sense because Gemini is integrated into AI Studio. So after comparing all three, Meta AI easily stands out. The style is more polished and more expressive. And here's the best part. Meta AI lets you customize the image, switch styles, choose moods, and even use built-in prototypes. You can give text instructions, regenerate variations, and get exactly what you need. So for me, the best option, especially for beginners or anyone trying to create consistent characters, is definitely Meta AI, as per this experiment, and I am planning to create a full tutorial on how to generate images, customize them, and animate them using Meta AI. So stay tuned,